No, this isn't permanent. This is just for mocking up.
Too bad, you again.
Howdy. Say when.
Where'd you go?
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 4, 2. 4, 2.
You want to figure out what you're saying first? Because you guys are both just standing there now, bitches.
No, we were just
Are we ready?
Go ahead. Is it recording? Hey, welcome back.
Howdy.
We're working on the chopper again. Hopefully nobody's sick of it. If you are,
Cry about it.
I guess you're gonna have to watch at least one more episode, which is today's, or not, whatever.
What if they're watching this right now? They're
Then
probably
they are, yeah. Then they are. And thank you. Welcome back. Today we're working on the chopper again.
Okay.
Tanks mounted, gas tank, or I mean, handlebars mounted, clutches dialed. There was a 5/16 nut. I drilled the frame, set the nut in it, welded around the nut. Up here I made a 12 gauge, 14 gauge, 12 gauge. It's probably 12 gauge. I didn't check what gauge it was. I think it's 12 gauge. Should be heavy enough either way. And cut a little pipe, welded the pipe in there, made that kind of into a flying saucer triangle shape. Welded it in for a neck gusset. Should be fine as long as you never use it. And then we're gonna get some fuel to her. Riley's getting some bolts right now. He'll be here shortly.
How about the bars?
The bars are for a project that I had not had time to do yet, so I'm allowing Eli to borrow them.
How'd you do it?
Oh, they just are triple tree mounts, so you just measure the centers and drill 2 holes, and then they bolt on. They have to have metric bolts, so Riley went and got bolts. And that's it. Riley actually welded the hole shut, cut the old bars off, and then when he cut those off, it was open on the top tree to the pipe for the fork, and he welded those, ground them off, and here we are, working on a seat mount. So the seat's going to mount onto the frame through this plate, which will have a pipe welded here to a bolt going through 2 ears that are welded on the frame. And then we have this super slick little a mountain bike shock. 750 inch pounds. Should be plenty well tough enough for Eli's lard ass. Shots fired.
It's getting bigger these days.
It's heavy, Brand. It's heavy. Is there something wrong with the gravitational fields in the future? Everything is heavy. Great Scott.
That's what you're going to do now.
1.21 gigawatts! Yeah, that's what we're doing now. That hurt my throat.
Is there a designated
Yeah.
place for carriage bolts in the office, or are they just random?
Randos.
Okay, so either I didn't look hard enough, or all I found was a 5/16 or like a
A giant
at
one?
least a giant one. Yeah.
Okay.
A vagina one? I'll go.
What else you got?
I'll go look.
What else you got to make there?
You wanted just a lock nut? Or did
Yeah.
you want washers?
Gotta finish up some welding, yeah?
It's probably all good enough to go out and beat for a while,
How
but
about that battery tray? Let's talk about battery tray.
oh yeah, I got my battery tray,
Foot pegs.
foot pegs, throttle cable,
Foot brake.
brake pedal. Maybe we'll have another one next Monday. We've been working on this a lot.
Oh God.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Obviously, it is what it is.
Stick around. We're gonna go real fast here. Hold on to your seat.
I didn't know which one you wanted.
I'm gonna grab the silo. Time for the big bowl. Welcome back to American Chopper. That's bullshit. American Chopper. The guys are in the shop working on the chopper. There's nothing but problems. They're gonna get into fist fights. Ah! Start throwing chairs. Oh! Start throwing chairs. Should we start throwing tables? Yeah. And tools. And tip it over like Jesus does. Are they reviving that?
Jesus.
Are they reviving Orange County Choppers? I think so. I've heard something about that. The seniors got a channel, you know. Okay, no, come along. Oh God. Oh God. So. Oh. Ah. What we got going on here is we made a bracket for the seat, and we used a mountain bike spring, and I don't know what the hell else we do.
Is that all you did?
I already told them about that.
Is that all you did?
Yeah,
Yes.
I guess so.
And I painted and finished the exhaust. That's it. Now we're gonna do all the other stuff, like the throttle cable, the fuel lines.
I put a bunch of welds on random stuff too, so it's like half welded probably. 3/4. Got a 3/4 weld on her.
Working.
Yeah, we looked at some other different designs, like possibilities for the seat. That's what took forever, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
What the hell?
Got a red solo cup there. What's in there?
Crumbs. Nut crumbs. Kids. 9. We gotta get back to work. Aww. Let's do this. All right, see you after that's done. Or did you already go time lapse? Check, check. Is this thing on? Check.
We got no fuel. Do we have fuel by now?
Should.
This one's hard.
Better tool. Choke?
I turned the choke on to see if we pull fuel through it, but it didn't. Okay.
fuel pump. That's how much fuels went with the other lawnmower. Huh?
Okay, the carburetor on a 18 horsepower Vanguard V-twin engine has one wire that connects to the fuel shut-off solenoid
That's so dumb.
located at the base of the carburetor bowl. This wire requires 12 volt positive voltage supply when the ignition key is on or run position to allow fuel flow.
That is silly. I do concur. That's a little silly.
Go?
Yeah, ready to go.
Well, it ran.
A little bit. You think your fuel pump don't work? Looks like that fuel pump indeed does not work. Try again.
I think you ready?
Yeah.
There's gotta be so much carburetor, huh?
So, fuel delivery?
Well, thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you enjoyed the program. Next week for sure we should have some riding action. We're gonna have to look at that carburetor at some point before then. So, yeah, it's almost ready to run.
Tell your grandma to watch the show. She'll love it.
Thank you.
Bye, everybody. Hey, see you later. Yeah. Hit that like, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week. Love you. Bye.